Well, hello everybody. Welcome to my channel. My name is Liz and this is Simply Homeschool. So today I'm just going to show you guys a haul that I had gotten from the Dollar Tree. Good old DT. Okay, so let's just jump right in. Okay, let's get this started. First off, I got these for my daughter. Now, I'm not sure if I'm going to give them to her for a gift that's coming up. We won't go into it more than that just because I'm not sure if kids are watching this. So, I found these cool little crazy art activity packs. The first one here is a mermaid makeover, and it looks like you put makeup and gems and stuff on her face. You could design her own or her hair and things like that. I thought that that looked pretty cool. It was 63 colorful stickers come with it, so I'm hoping it's cool. Who knows until you open it. And then this one here is fancy nail makeover. So this, you get this in the back. I guess it comes with little papers with fingernails. Don't mind my nails, guys. Oh my goodness. But so this is what it comes with. It has different, little stickers for nails, just different ways to design your nails. Or the nails on here. I don't think you actually design your own nails. I think you design her nails. So I found those, and don't mind the reflections off of my glasses and my forehead. It is nighttime and I have a bunch of lights going on in here and I just cannot get the lighting right. So bear with me. I'm hoping eventually I will figure things out. I'm hoping one day I'll be able to do these videos during the day. But just because it's so hectic here and with the kids and the noise, and I don't think you guys would hear me. So yeah, getting back to it. So I also found these, okay? So here is a sun, and then here are clouds with little lightning bolts. So what I was thinking is I teach my nephew, he's in preschool, and we are working on weather and stuff like that. So I was thinking of either making him a board where he can show me what the weather is outside. One of them I was gonna cut off the little lightning and just have it the cloud, and then I was gonna make little raindrops under it and then like laminate it together. Something along those lines. I haven't completely thought it all the way through, but I know I want to do something like that with these little die cuts. Are they die cuts? They just call it large foil classroom decor and large embossed classroom decor. I call them die cuts. I don't know. They also have these really cute scratch off stickers. So I was thinking of, when my daughter's doing good, just put one of them on her desk and she'll be able to scratch it off. It says like, way to rack your brain, smart like a fox, very nice. Isn't that super cute? I thought that was cute. I got my son this little Mickey Mouse painting set. He loves to paint, but literally he just like, a little bit and then he's done. So I just let him paint on paper, the little pads that you get from there. I also got him this for the bathtub. He's 3, so I mean, he's a little old for it, but he still looks through the Puppy Dog Pals one that I have when he's in the bath. So I figured, why not? I also got these little stickers. He's in that phase of just peeling the stickers, sticking them on his arm, ripping them, sticking them on paper. So that's really good for motor skills. I know it sounds crazy, but for fine motor skills, it's always a plus for them to be able to get the stickers off and for them to put it on paper and things like that. Kind of eye-hand coordination type of thing. I found this puzzle and I was going to put this in our morning basket for my daughter if she wants to put a puzzle together. It's only 24 pieces. It would be super fast, and that's a great morning basket thing, especially because our days are really full. So it's kind of nice when there's something that doesn't take quite as long sometimes. So I found these super cute Puppy Dog Pals counting flashcards. My son loves Puppy Dog Pals. Well, right now he's more into PJ Masks. Like, that's his new thing. He wants to watch it every second of every day. But I saw these and knew that he would love these. He loves doggies. And then I got my daughter these princess multiplication cards. She's starting multiplication, very basic multiplication right now, but eventually she will need these, so I have purchased these for her. I do have the Abreca. I do have the Abeka curriculum, and you can get their flashcards, but these are $1, and multiplication flashcards are probably the same, so I just got these. So I had purchased some of the, what are they called? The little charts for like flashcards and things for my daughter for her spelling words, and I had purchased these for them, but I realized that they come with 30 and she has 15 words every week. So I cut these in half, so at least these will last us a month. So I had to get her a new pack. Now, we just did Dino Week for my pre-K student, which is my nephew. And we were working on D's last week, so I got a bunch of stuff for dinosaurs. And so when I saw these, I had to get them. Look at how cool he is. And then I got this one. And then the T-Rex. Look at how cool these are, you guys. I thought that he was pretty cool. And then the last dinosaur I got was this guy right here. We made dinosaur fossils out of flour, water, and salt. That's all that there was. You know what I'm gonna do? If you guys wanna stay tuned and see how we made that, I will put the video in the next clip. When I end this one, I'll put it on for you guys to see. It's really, really cool. It was actually really fun. I enjoyed it so much. Like, I was literally sitting at the table by myself. My nephew was done, my daughter was done, and I was still making fossils. Yeah. But I also got 2 packs of these sands, or 2 packs of the bags of sand. And what I did is I just had a Dollar Tree tray. I'll have to link a picture of it. I didn't record it, but I'll link a picture after the video. And I opened one of the bags and I covered some of the fossils, and then my daughter just brushed the sand away and took the fossil out and stuck it down and tried to look at the charts that I had, because I had these like printed out photocopies of the fossils, the bones of the dinosaurs, and then I tried to make them, at least mine, I tried to make them look like those bones so we can make the dinosaur. Man, does that even make sense? So I did my fossils to match one of the dinosaurs' bones, actual bones or fossils, so that when we dig them out, we can actually build the dinosaur. So I used this and she used the paintbrush. She didn't put it together afterwards, but maybe I will. I don't know, it sounds fun. But so that's what I did with the sand. I used it for that, but you could use sand for anything. All right, you guys, that is it. Thank you so much for checking out my channel. Thank you for sticking around and seeing what I hauled. And don't forget to hit that subscribe, the notification bell, and the like button. Be blessed always.